Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out this much anticipated Hot Wheels Jaguar 1964 E-Type, and we will get right into it. This was an RLC car, limited to supposedly 30,000. I think mine says like $795 on the bottom. Just got it in the mail yesterday. We will check it out. Here's what the back of the pack says. You guys can pause it and read it yourself if you'd like. There's that. Comes in a nice case. I did notice it's not screwed down to the base, which is kind of nice. And you don't have to one extra step there. All right, now we have it out of the case and up on the turntable. It's very, very attractive British Racing Green Spectre Flame, and it is awesome. Very, very awesome. I'm not a big fan of the wheel choice though, I have to say, but I don't think they had a whole lot of options to pull from their parts bin for the wheel choice. It looks a little better in person, I must say, than it did in the photos. So you know, you take what you can get, I guess, so to speak, but it's absolutely stunning in person though. The paint is very, very, very attractive. It does have a light tan interior with supposedly like a wooden steering wheel, and it is right-hand drive, which is pretty cool. One thing I had noticed, obviously you can tell that the hood is up on it. It has like a, let's stop it here once. There's a plastic thing in here to keep this wedged open while it's in the packaging. Let's see if we can get that out of there. All right, already I can tell that the hood doesn't close, so that's a big disappointment and a fail in my opinion. Hot Wheels took a lot of grief over the M3, BMW over the hood issues. This to me is worse. You can't even really hide it. I mean, it's really prevalent, and it does not look very good with the hood closed on. Let's just say that it looks absolutely horrendous, but I love it. I love the car. I love the Spectre Flame green. It is gorgeous, but I'm very, very disappointed in the hood. So I don't know if anyone else out there that has one of these, let me know how your hood fits. But I'm really upset about that. I'm tempted almost to mail it back. That's how pissed off I am about it, but what are you gonna do? Let's take a closer look here at it, and I'm just still upset about the hood, but there's the underneath, and unusually it does have a green chrome base, which seems unusual. I'm not sure if I remember another Spectre Flame car in recent memory also having a chrome base like that. It's very unusual. Was it the D Tomasio might have had that? Do Tomasio, I forget how you pronounce it, but anyway, very unusual. I think it looks better with the hood up, so maybe I'll just leave it with the hood up and we'll check out the engine detail. And there's the inline 6-cylinder. Exhaust is on the driver's side. Pretty cool. I like the mirrors, look good. I'll see if I can get shots of the interior. I don't know if we'll be able to really see in there very well. I need a new camera. You can kind of see in there a little bit. Nothing really special about the interior. We do have nice logo tampos on it. It's hard to video with the chrome bouncing off. I should say the light bouncing off the chrome. It is very, very attractive car though, I must say. Bottom says 1964. I think I might have said 1966 in the beginning. If I did, I apologize. It's 1964. I think I might have slipped that out by accident. Really a lovely car though. But that's a shame about the hood, and there's really, I don't know if there's really much grinding or anything that could be done in here to make this drop down a little lower without having to drill the actually it's screwed together. Interesting. That's new. It's one security screw. It's not, I don't think it's a, let me get this to focus. That's interesting that I don't think this is riveted together, or I should say the stalk being pressed over. This looks like one security screw right there. So I'm thinking maybe if I could take this apart, I do have a security triangular shaped screwdriver set, I think, here somewhere. Maybe I can get in there and fix the hood or work on that to see if I can get that any better. But it really does frustrate me though, how horrendous the fit is on that. But there it is. What are you going to do? So there we go. Just a quick look here at the 1964 Jaguar XKE from Hot Wheels, the RLC program, and it is pretty awesome. I'm just very bummed out about the hood. Please leave me a comment if you guys, anyone else are having hood issues on yours. I suspect they all have this, and I'm sure they're going to take flack over it, as they should, in my opinion, because they roll out this garbage and they don't really, I don't know what the deal is with some of their stuff that they roll out. They just seem like, to me, they're absolutely just so money hungry, and to me it's taking advantage of the collectors and hobbyists just by rolling out garbage one thing after another, especially when you have fit and finish issues such as this. It's taking advantage. It really is. It's upsetting. So there you go. I guess it'll just have to be stored with the hood up. Let's go ahead and prop it up. I think it looks better with the hood up, in my opinion, thanks to a crappy fit and finish there. Either way, it's very cool. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, all good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. You can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. All right. Bye now.